As the mileage, age, and use on your truck increases, sensors can start to fail. If you're noticing hesitation, dead spots in the pedal, or erratic shifting, a failing throttle position sensor may be the cause. The XDP Throttle Position Sensor, also known as a TPS sensor, is a direct fit replacement that restores proper throttle response and communication with your truck's ECU. In the box, you'll find the TPS sensor ready for installation. It's built using high-quality materials and designed to match the factory connector for a direct OE-style fit. Each sensor is built to match the original specifications to provide accurate and reliable signals to the electrical system in your truck. If it's time to replace failing sensors on your truck, check out the full lineup of XDP's direct fit replacement sensors.